Welcome to TechSphere. Today we're diving into the ultimate showdown of augmented reality, Meta Quest 3 versus Apple Vision Pro. These two revolutionary headsets are setting the standard for AR in 2025, each with cutting-edge features and capabilities. If you're curious about which one is redefining the future, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to TechSphere and hit the notification bell for the latest updates in tech. Meta Quest 3 embraces a lightweight and compact form, focusing on user comfort. Weighing approximately 514 grams, it's suitable for extended use, whether you're gaming, working, or exploring virtual environments. Its sleek exterior offers a modern and approachable look, making it an excellent choice for casual users and AR newcomers. Apple Vision Pro emphasizes a more luxurious design, utilizing premium materials and aesthetics. While slightly heavier, at around 600 to 650 grams, it features high-quality components that enhance durability and comfort. Apple has introduced the Pro Dual Loop Band, a customizable fitting system, ensuring a secure and personalized fit for all users. Though heavier, the Vision Pro compensates with unparalleled elegance and attention to detail, appealing to professionals and tech enthusiasts. When it comes to display quality, the Apple Vision Pro boasts an industry-leading resolution of 2060 x 3840 pixels per eye, setting a new standard for clarity and visual fidelity in AR. This high resolution creates a seamless experience, allowing users to interact with digital content that feels incredibly lifelike. Whether you're watching a movie, designing a 3D model, or attending a virtual meeting, the Vision Pro's display delivers vibrant colors and sharp details that immerse you completely. The Meta Quest 3 offers a resolution of 1832 x 1920 pixels per eye. While not as high as the Vision Pro, it still provides a crisp and enjoyable visual experience. Meta has focused on optimizing its display for energy efficiency, allowing for longer usage sessions without frequent recharging. The Quest 3's display is well suited for gaming and general AR use, making it a strong contender in its price range. The Meta Quest 3 is powered by the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor, a significant upgrade from its predecessor. This chip delivers improved performance across the board, enabling smoother gameplay, faster app loading times, and enhanced multitasking capabilities. Meta has also improved its tracking technology, ensuring precise and responsive interactions within the AR environment. Apple Vision Pro takes performance to the next level with its custom M2 chip, the same processor found in Apple's latest MacBooks. This chip provides exceptional computing power, allowing the Vision Pro to handle complex tasks with ease. Whether you're running intensive applications, engaging in 3D design, or streaming high-quality media, the Vision Pro's processing capabilities are unmatched. Apple has also integrated its R1 chip, which processes data from cameras and sensors in real time, ensuring a lag-free and highly immersive experience. A critical factor in choosing an AR headset is the available content and applications. Meta's Quest 3 benefits from a vast library of games and experiences thanks to Meta's established presence in the VR and AR markets. The Quest Store offers a diverse range of titles, catering to various interests and age groups. Apple's Vision Pro, while newer to the market, has been expanding its content offerings. Notably, Apple has been collaborating with developers to adapt popular applications for the Vision Pro. For instance, there are reports of Apple working with game developers to enhance the gaming experience on the Vision Pro, potentially integrating support for PlayStation VR 2 controllers to attract a broader audience. Price is a significant consideration for many consumers. The Meta Quest 3 is positioned as a more affordable option, with the 128GB model priced at $499.99. This pricing strategy makes it accessible to a wider audience, appealing to both casual users and enthusiasts. On the other hand, the Apple Vision Pro comes with a premium price tag of $3,499. This higher cost reflects its advanced features and high-end materials. However, it may be a barrier for some consumers, limiting its accessibility to those willing to invest in a top-tier AR experience. Since their respective launches, both headsets have received varied market responses. The Meta Quest 3 has been praised for its balance of performance, comfort, and affordability, solidifying its position in the consumer market. Its extensive content library and user-friendly design have contributed to its widespread adoption. The Apple Vision Pro, despite its high price point, has been recognized for its technological advancements and premium user experience. However, reports indicate that sales have been lower than anticipated, leading Apple to explore strategies to enhance its appeal. This includes potential collaborations to expand its gaming capabilities and possibly developing more affordable models in the future. Looking ahead, the augmented reality landscape is poised for significant advancements. Companies like Samsung and Google are collaborating to develop AR glasses, aiming to achieve high quality and readiness swiftly. This partnership signifies a growing interest in making AR more accessible and integrated into daily life. Innovations like Gaussian splatting, a novel 3D capture technique, are enabling lifelike 3D models using standard smartphones. This technology could democratize 3D content creation, leading to more immersive and interactive AR experiences. Additionally, the integration of artificial intelligence into AR devices is on the rise. AI can enhance user interactions, provide real-time translations, and offer personalized content, making AR applications more intuitive and user-friendly. In summary, both the Meta Quest 3 and Apple Vision Pro offer compelling features tailored to different segments of the AR market. The Quest 3 provides an accessible entry point with a robust content ecosystem, making it an excellent choice for general consumers. The Vision Pro delivers a premium experience with superior display quality and performance, appealing to professionals and enthusiasts seeking the best in AR technology. As the AR industry continues to evolve, we can anticipate more innovative devices and applications that will further integrate augmented reality into our daily lives. What are your thoughts on the Meta Quest 3 and Apple Vision Pro? Which headset do you think is leading the AR revolution in 2025? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting updates on the latest in tech.